Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of the moment is Orca Plant launched. Recently, the world's largest carbon-absorbing plant has been started in Iceland. The plant, named Orca after the Icelandic word Orca, meaning energy. The plant is designed to suck carbon dioxide out of the air and convert it back into the soil as a mineral. The Orca plant can remove 4,000 tons of carbon dioxide out of the air every year, as per the companies. According to the US Environmental Protection Agency, that equates to the emissions from about 870 cars. To collect the carbon dioxide, the plant uses fans to draw air into a collector, which has a filter material inside. The collector is closed once the filter material has been loaded with CO2, and the temperature is raised to release the CO2 from the material, allowing the highly concentrated gas to be collected. The CO2 is then mixed with the water before being injected at a depth of 1000 meters into the nearby basalt rock so that it can be mineralized. According to the critics, the technology is still prohibitively expensive and might take decades to operate at scale, but could become a major tool in the fight against climate change in the future. Dear viewers, to watch this topic in Hindi, please visit our Hindi YouTube channel.